your local Weather Authority forecast.
Cold air is dominating the basin with clear skies and light winds. This is a live look at the Tall City early on your Thursday morning. We do notice that city lights are not highlighting any clouds. We're finally seeing the clear skies across the basin. Combine that with light winds. Temperatures have really allowed to plummet from the daytime hours yesterday. It's what's called radiational cooling, meaning the infrared radiation from yesterday, the heat, not much of it, was allowed to escape into space, allowing those temperatures to drop with light northerly winds out there. High altitude thin clouds moving through the Big Bend, but otherwise skies mostly clear, maybe even some thinner clouds in the Trans-Pecos in the higher elevations of the Davis Mountains, the Guadalupe Mountains. Again, not amounted to too much in terms of cloud coverage. No longer any drought conditions in the heart of the basin. And again, I mentioned we're dry out there. Despite us seeing some rain and snow earlier this week, we're still dealing with drought concerns from Midland, Odessa, La Mesa, Hobbs. Orange colors, those red colors indicate moderate to severe to extreme drought. So yeah, folks, we need the rainfall, we need the snowfall. It's not likely, at least for the next several days. 25 right now in Alpine, 24 degrees in the Midland, Odessa area, 28 degrees right now in Big Spring. Don't have an observation in Marfa, but likely in the lower 20s. Yeah, barely cold in Hobbs at 21. 39 degrees in Presidio. That's pretty chilly for this time of year there. Eventually, temperatures will rise eventually into the 40s and lower 50s, except the Guadalupe Pass of Pine Springs struggling to reach the higher 30s. Mid to upper 40s and lower 50s for Midland, Odessa, and Big Spring. Low to mid 50s near the Rio Grande. So temperatures a little bit below normal for this time of year. Average high 60 in the Tall City, average low 33 degrees. 22, that's my forecast low. 48 degrees, that's my forecast high in the Tall City. So make sure you guys bundle up out there. At least the saving grace, though, those winds will not be too strong, so not making it feel much colder than those actual air temperatures. Despite some passing clouds from time to time, we are going to be seeing mostly clear skies anywhere north of the Midland and Odessa area, especially from Marfa, Fort Stockton, Dryden near the Big Bend. Not really picking up on the future cast, but some high altitude thin clouds moving on through, becoming even more cloudy later this evening, tonight into tomorrow morning. More clouds from Marfa, Alpine, Fort Stockton moving through the southern half of the basin. But because of enough dry air, our chances of rain and snow will be very low. Once again, allowing temperatures to drop overnight. Once again, in the 20s, maybe ever so slightly warmer compared to what we're seeing right now. Those winds picking up out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That'll be the reason why maybe a couple degrees warmer tomorrow morning compared to this morning. Again, I'm thinking a low temperature right around 22 for this morning, mid-20s for your morning commute tomorrow morning with some clouds, cold and dry out there. I think we'll inevitably reach a low temperature of 25 in the Tall City tomorrow morning. It's pretty cold tonight, but not quite as cold as this morning. Chilly today, but not as chilly tomorrow in the 50s, 60s for many on Saturday with lingering clouds, cooler on Sunday, and then maybe some tricky weather as we head into next week.